Hi YouTube, I'm Jared and this is Omnivore Blade Works. Do you like sharp things? We just had the article come out about, well, Tomahawk Roundup in Gun World magazine, and our Anubis Tomahawk was on the cover at the top, and well, you can see here is the last one that I have in this format, and the last one I have period right now. The changes for the next batch are going to be to the hand stop area and maybe to the head a little bit. On this variation, there's no holes in the head, and the reason I thought I could get away with that is because I was going to use a fixture on a grinding operation using these two holes and a machine pocket with perhaps some magnets underneath it to hold the head in place, and then I could grind these underhook edges instead of machining them. Grinding takes a lot less tool force and leaves a better finish when you're done, so it takes a little more time in some regards, but it may be the best alternative, and it will allow me to build a tomahawk without holes in the head. The center hole on this tomahawk is the one that I use to fixture it to a machine fixture, and then of course this bolt hole where my thumb is. So the hand stop change, you can see this one's got little jimping on it and the other one doesn't, and it's bigger. So when you choke up on the tomahawk, you have a real positive stop, but it's more comfortable in your hand when you do choke up on it than this. I'm going to be testing out some handle changes as well, so that maybe the handle comes out a little farther towards the jimping to make an even more comfortable grip when you're using the tomahawk as a knife with it in a choked up hand grip. So those are going to be the only changes that I do, is to offer a solid head for certain applications, and also do the change on the hand stop. The hidden tang variant will also be a possibility. I have some blanks made out of this low carbon steel by accident, and I think the hidden tang will be good for also certain applications when you need a really lightweight tomahawk that's shock resistant, both for impacts and for electricity and in particular environments. The regular full tang that has the skeletonized profile will also be one that I continue making, but it's going to cost a little more because there's more water jet cutting involved, and there's more deburring involved, and painting is more difficult, and I just have to charge more because of that reason. So the prices will be reflected in the new models. In the meantime, the only tomahawks that I have right now are a handful of these ETA Scout tomahawks, which is the straight handled with a pry bar pommel. The head is the same as the Anubis with all the cutting surfaces, and the weight is about the same, maybe a little lighter actually, but you can see the heads are identical, and the steel is the same as well, 1095 with our bainite os-tempered heat treatment. So there's a handful of these, black and gray as you see, and one in a nickel, and maybe another one in bronze. So if you got a hankering for a tomahawk, I have this available, and I'll be taking orders for the new Anubis, and you'll be able to pick your colors, and you'll be able to pick left or right handed sheaths, and you'll be able to decide if you want the underhook sharpened or not. It's all about the level of danger you're willing to live with. I cut myself with one just like this 2 weeks ago, and you got to be really respectful of all these edges. Alright, that's all I have for you now, and do a shop update in the behind that door as soon as it's clean enough to be presentable. See you next time.